Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family. Wait and see, look like a panda.
Hi, Shafi. I want to know what is cybercrime.
Well, in India, violation of rules in IT Act 2000 comes under cybercrime. Simply, it's a computer-oriented crime accessing unknown digital devices through internet for viewing their digital work without taking permission from their administrator.
What is the difference between cybercriminal and hacker?
So, cybercrime hacks important and private data of rich people like celebrities. Hackers hack US data, bank details, and passwords.
How many types of hackers are there?
So, there are three types of hackers: white hat hacker, grey hat hacker, and black hat hacker. 1. White hat hackers. These are professionals. These are meant for a company to check the loopholes or bugs of any software or application by that company. They hack the software to check the loopholes and bugs with permission. These white hat hackers are also known as ethical hackers. Ethical hacker means the one who do hacking for good purpose with permission. Grey hat hackers. These do hacking for time pass and for fun without any financial interest. Black hat hackers. These are the ones who hack bank accounts and do fraud through hacking. Most of these hackers hack computers and mobiles.
How hackers hack?
So listen here carefully. This is the most easiest way for hackers to hack. We get many fake messages on WhatsApp like Pinwheel and Win iPhone. Tap on link and get free balance. Adidas is giving free shoes and etc. So here, whenever you tap on these types of links, some websites will open. Those websites will ask you human verification. You can provide human verification by downloading the apps which those websites provide. So generally we download many apps from Play Store and use permissions like access camera, microphone. So whenever you download these types of apps from these types of websites, without knowing you will allow permissions. So whenever you allow permissions, then hacker can get full information of your smartphone. In most cases, your smartphone will hang a lot when a hacker hack. And now, finally, your smartphone was hacked.
Why do hackers hack?
See this photo carefully. We are using only 4% of internet. Remaining 90% is deep web and remaining 6% is dark web. So in deep web and dark web, hackers do all their jobs they do. Hackers hack your accounts and they will sell in dark web. So by selling your hacked accounts in dark web, hackers can earn money. The most popular currency hackers earn is Bitcoin.
How to stay safe from hacking?
Yes, you can stay safe in this internet world. 1. Before making a payment, check the website URL and lock symbol. The most important is check the HTTPS. 2. Beware of fake messages like Pinwheel and Win iPhone. Share this message and get free balance. 3. Usage of pirated sites and mod apps makes hackers to access easily. So don't use any type of pirated sites or mod APKs. So guys, at last I wanted to tell only one thing. Be alert. Make sure the apps you are using are really safe or not, and the websites which you are using must contain lock symbol. So guys, finally thanks for watching video till here. If you find my video useful, then make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video to many users. And also don't forget to give a like. So this is Shafi. Meet you soon. I am signing off.